All right. We are going to look at See the Airplane. This is another right-hand song for finger 2 and finger 3. So we're going to put some glue on our fingers and we're going to stick them to the 2 black keys. Careful they're not on the group of 3. They have to be on the group of 2. We're going to spider finger curl our fingers so that the tips are pressing. And let's try Hear the Airplane, and we're going to say the finger numbers as we play. We're starting with 2, and there's kind of a pattern for this one. We go 2, 3, 2, and we switch back and forth a whole lot. So let's try it. Ready, set, say the finger numbers, go. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Awesome. Let's try it a little faster. Say the finger numbers, go. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Cool. We're going to try playing it with the track, with the song. Now watch out, this one goes 2 times. So after you do it the second time, you have to, or after you finish, you have to do it one more time after that. So be careful, be ready. Here we go. Let's get our fingers ready. Ready, set, here we go. Awesome. Try it by yourself, and we'll try it next week.